Hello everyone! Today we're going to harvest fresh veggies from our small garden to make vegetable salad, and then we will try Chef Tatong's simple salad dressing for the first time. Heto na nga, samahan niyo muna kaming mag-harvest. We have a bit of lettuce down here. At dahil autumn season na ngayon dito, lumalamig na kaya nahihirapan na rin lumago ang ibang tinanim namin. Yung iba nilagay na lang namin sa greenhouse baka sakaling tumagal. At ito ang aming baby spinach, masarap siya sa salad kaya nilalagay namin ito. This one is available all throughout the year, kahit anong season, buhay siya. And we have a bit of baby tomatoes down here. Kunin na rin natin at dahil malamig na nga talaga, hindi na tumutuloy mag-ripe yung kanyang bunga. And then this one, cucumber. Sobrang sipag nitong mamunga. Napakaliit niya lang talaga, isang puno lang. Pero ang daming nabihiya ang mga kapitbahay dahil sa kanyang bunga. Dahil hindi talaga namin siya kayang ubusin lahat. Pwedeng-pwede na ito sa ating vegetable salad. Simple, fresh, organic at straight from our garden to the table. Dadagdag lang tayo dito ng konting carrots and olive and then solved na. And now I'm very excited to try Chef Tatong's simple dressing salad. Watch till the end to see which one is the best for me. So let's taste. This is sesame ginger dressing.
Ang sarap.
Then this is Greek yogurt dressing. Parang masarap din sa dip. And nothing beats fresh organic veggies talaga. And last but not the least, lemon vinaigrette.
Taste mustard. Magkakaibang. Not like an ordinary one. But has a bit of twist because of the mustard. My favorite.
One with peanut butter, sesame ginger dressing. Thanks for watching!